అప్లికేషన్స్ ఆఫ్ ద డెరివేటివ్స్ అవకలజాలు అనువర్తనాలు. ఈ చాప్టర్లో ఫస్ట్ టాపిక్ ఎర్రర్స్ అండ్ అప్రాక్సిమేషన్, దోషాలు, ఉజ్జాయింపులు. సో ఇందులో ఫస్ట్ వర్డ్ ఎర్రర్ గురించి నేర్చుకున్నాం. ఫస్ట్ ఎర్రర్ అంటే ఏంటి, దోషం అంటే ఏంటి అనేది ఈ పదాలకు అర్థాలు తెలియాలంటే ఈ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ద్వారా తెలుసుకోవచ్చు. లెట్ us see. Say one square is given, we have to find the area and perimeter of this square. Length is not mentioned here, actual length is not given. So using scale, the length is measured. The length is measured as 4.9 centimeters. Using this, area is calculated. Area is equal to, we know the formula, x square 4.9 whole square. Now this is equal to 24.01. I will get. This is here recorded here. Also perimeter is equal to 4x. S is equal to 4x. 4 into x means 4 into 4.9. 4 into 4.9, that is approximately equals to 19.60. Now while measuring the length, the actual length is 5 centimeters. Instead of measuring 5 centimeters, we measured 4.9 centimeters. That is recorded here. This is actual length, this is measured length. There is a difference 0.10 centimeters. This is called error in x. This is called error in x, that is denoted by delta x. Similarly, if 5 is the original length, the area also 25 square centimeters here. Calculated area is 24.01 centimeters. In this also I am getting some difference. This is 0.99. This is called error in area, and that is denoted by delta A. Similarly, in perimeter also, actual perimeter is 20 centimeters. Calculated one is 19.60. The difference is 0.40 centimeters. Now this is error in S, and that is denoted by delta S. So this is the error concept. దోషం అనేది మనం తెలుసుకున్నాం. Next one, error. Error is completed. Now approximation definition. So this is simple definition. A number A is very close to a number B, but is never equals to B. Then A is called approximate value of B. A సంఖ్య B సంఖ్యకు దగ్గరగా ఉంటూ B కి సమానం కానట్లయితే Aను B కి ఉజ్జాయింపు సంఖ్య అంటాము. Here we know the value of pi is 3.1415926358 etc. This is not terminated. This is approximately equal to, this is the symbol, approximately equals to 3.141. Next, here we have some definitions. Using these definitions, we are going to solve the exercise problems. See the definition. Y is equal to f of x being the any curve. If there is error in x, that is delta x, automatically we get error in y. Error in y is delta y. The first formula, approximate error in y, that is denoted by delta y. Delta y ni paramadosam లేదా దోషం అంటాం. Formula delta y is equal to f of x plus delta x minus f of x. Second one is differential. This is denoted by dy. dy ni అవకలని అంటాము. dy is equal to f dash x into delta x. These two are approximately equals to each other. Delta y and dy are approximately equals to each other. From that I will get one relation, simple relation. F of x plus delta x is approximately equals to f of x plus f dash x into delta x. This is very important formula. This is useful while solving the problem. Next one is relative error in y. సాపేక్ష దోషం, yలో సాపేక్ష దోషాన్ని డెల్టా y బై y గా నిర్వచిస్తాం. లాస్ట్ డెఫినేషన్ పర్సంటేజ్ ఎర్రర్ ఇన్ y, yలో దోష శాతం రిలేటివ్ ఎర్రర్ ఇంటూ 100, సాపేక్ష దోషం ఇంటూ 100 లేదా డెల్టా y బై y ఇంటూ 100 గా నిర్వచిస్తాం. సో యూజింగ్ దీస్ 4 definition concepts, now let us start the exercise problems. Now this is the first problem. Find dy and delta I for the following function and x and delta x is given here. So we know the formula delta y is equal to f of x plus delta x minus f of x. So first x plus delta x, calculate that one. X plus delta x is equal to 10 plus 0.01, 10.01. Now delta y equals to f of 10.01 minus f of x is 10. Now this is the given function. F of x is equal to y is equal to the given function. Now this can be written as 10.01 whole square plus 3 into 10.01 plus 6 minus of, instead of x write down 10 where there, 10 square, that is 100, 3 into 10, 30 plus 6 as it is. So 10.0 whole square means 100.20001 plus this is 30.03 plus 6 minus this is 136. And adding these three terms, positive terms, I will get this as 136.2301 minus 136. On simplification, this will get 0.2301. This is delta y value. Now next, to find dy, already we know the formula. Dy is equal to f dash x into delta x. F dash x means, write down the function as it is here, 2x square plus 3x plus 6 for this derivative into delta x as it is. Now this equals to x square derivative is 2x plus 3 constant, x derivative is 1 plus constant derivative 0, constant derivative 0, 2x plus 3 into delta x here. Now on simplification, on substitution and the given values, 2 into x is 10, 2 into 10 is 20, 20 plus 3 is 23, 23 into delta x value is 0.01. On multiplication, you will get this as 0.23. Now observe these two values here. From this I can write delta y is approximately equals to dy. Now this is the first problem. Now let us see the second problem here. Now this is the second problem. Again here f of x is equal to y is equal to given. From that we have to calculate dy and delta y value. Again we know the formula. Delta y is equal to, this is the formula, x plus delta x value here 8 plus 0.0, that is 8.0. Now delta y is equal to f of x plus delta x means f of 8.02 minus f of x means f of 8. On substitution, you will get 1 by, instead of x substitute 8.02 there, 8.02 plus 2 minus 1 by 8 plus 2. On simplification, you will get this as 10.02 minus 1 by 10. 1 by 10.02 value is, on simplification, you will get this as 0.099 minus this is 0.1. Now this is equal to minus 0.0019. Now similarly, To find the value of dy, again we know the formula of dy. Dy is equal to f dash x dx. Now substitute in this formula. Dy is equal to, we will get f dash x means 1 by x plus 2 derivative into delta x as it is. Now we know the formula of derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. Using this formula, derivative of this particular term is 1 by x plus 2 whole square into delta x as it is. Minus 1 by x is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 square is 100 into delta x is 0.02. On simplification, you will get this as minus 0.0002. Again, if we observe these two, I can derive delta y is approximately equals to dy. This is the result. Next problem is find the dy and delta y. Function is given. Y is equal to cos x. This is equal to f of x. This is given. And x plus delta x value 60 degrees plus 1 degree. This is 61 degree. So first delta y, using the formula delta y is equal to f of x plus delta x means cos of x plus delta x minus f of x means cos x. Now substitute the values here. Cos x plus delta x is 61 degrees minus cos 60 degrees. Use a cosine table. Cos 61 degrees value substitute here. That is 0.4848. Cos 60 value already you know, that is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 equals to 0.5. Now on subtraction, we will get this as minus 0.0152. Next concept is to find dy. Substitute here. Dy is equal to f dash x. F dash x means I am writing as it is function for this derivative. Delta x is equal to as it is. Dy is equal to cos x derivative minus sin x. Delta x as it is. Minus sin x means 60 degrees. Delta x means 1 degree. Sin 60 value you know, root 3 by 2. 1 degree I will substitute afterwards as it is. Root 3 means 1.732 divided by 2 into 1 degree is equal to, this is in terms of radians, 0.0174. This is 2 1 0.8, 6 approximately will get. So final answer on multiplication of these two I will get minus 0.015. Observe these two answers again. These two are approximately equals to, that can be written as delta y is approximately equals to d. So this is the concept. So far we have calculated dy and delta y problems. Now so see the next type of problems here. So find the approximate value of root 82. We know the value of root 81. Root 81 is equal to 9. So find root 82. Function assumption is very important here. f of x is equal to, we have to find the root of one particular value, take that as x. Now x plus delta x is equal to this one, our problem 82. Now write this can be written as 81 plus 1 is equal to 82. Write down sum of known square root value plus remaining part here. Now from this, x is equal to delta x is equal to 81, sorry, delta x is equal to 1. Now using this formula, f of x plus delta x approximately equals to f of x plus f dash x plus delta x. Now solve this problem, f of x plus delta x. So here f of x plus delta x means root of x plus delta x. This is approximately equals to f of x means root x plus f dash x. F dash x means 2 root x. Root x derivative. Here I am writing f dash x means differentiate this both sides with respect to x. From that I will get 2 root x. Into delta x means delta x as it is, you substitute. Now this is root of x plus delta x. X plus delta x is equal to, we know 82 is approximately is equal to root 81 plus 1 by 2 root 81. Delta x means 1. This is approximately equals to 9 plus 1 by 2 root 81 means again 9. So approximately equals to 9 plus 1 by 18. This approximately equals to 9 plus 1 by 18. Approximate value 9 by 18 comes to on simplification 0.055. Adding this to value get 9.055. This is the final answer. So approximate value of root 82 is 9.055. Now, so find the approximate value of cube root of 7.8. This is the next question. The function assumption y is equal to, we have to find cube root of some value that you take as x here. Now x plus delta x is equal to 7.8. Since we know the cube root of 8 value, that is 2 here. Now write down this particular term as 8 plus delta x I am taking as 0.2. This is equal to 7.8. Now this becomes x value and this becomes delta x value. Now f of x plus delta x. X plus delta x means 7.8. No, after write down as it is here. F of x plus delta x is equal to delta x approximately equals to f of x. F of x means cube root of x, f dash x. So here I am calculating, this is derivative of x to the power of 1 by 3. This can be written as 1 by 3 to x to the power of 1 by 3 minus 1. So this is 1 by 3 x to the power of 1 taking LCM. This is minus 2 by 3. Or this can be written as 1 by 3 into x to the power of plus 2 by 3. I am taking this term to denominator. Now substitute directly here. So f dash x means 3 into x to the power of 2 by 3 into delta x as it is. Now substitute the values here. X plus delta x means 7.8 is approximately equals to cube root of 8 minus 1 by 3 into 8 to the power of 2 by 3. Delta x is, this is positive symbol, this is positive symbol. Delta x is minus 0.2. Now this can be written as 2 plus 1 by 8 to the power of 2 by 3 means 2 cube whole to the power of 2 by 3. 3 gets cancelled. You will get 4 here. Now this is 4. 4 into 3 is 12 into minus 0.2. The plus into minus is minus. On simplifying, 2 by 12 value there. This is 0.1 by 6. 2 minus, this is approximately equals to 0.0166. All are approximately equals to, final answer will be 1.983. So this is the problem. Right. Next question is, find the approximate value of cos 60 degrees 5 minutes value, where 1 degree is equal to, this is given, 0.01742 radians. Again here function assumption is very important. Y is equal to, I am taking. Here I have to find cos of something value, that is cos x. X plus delta x is equal to 60 degrees 5 minutes. Now I know the value of 60 degrees value. I can directly write from tabular values. Delta x is 5 minutes. So from this, x is equal to 60 degrees, delta x is equal to 5 minutes, and 5 minutes is equal to 5 degrees by 60, and 5 by 60 into 1 degree is equal to 0.01742. On simplification, this you will get 0.00144. Now using this formula, y is equal to f of x is equal to given relation. So we know on substitution f of x plus delta x is equal to, is approximately equals to, f of x means cos x plus cos x derivative minus sin x into delta x as it is. F of x plus delta x. X plus delta x means 60 degrees 5 minutes is approximately equals to cos 60 degrees minus sin 60 degrees. Delta x means this is 5 minutes. Now this is approximately equals to cos 60 means 1 by 2. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. 5 minutes is equal to, already I have simplified, that is 0.001. This is approximately equals to 0.5 minus 1.732 divided by 2 into 0.00144. Approximately equals to 0.5. This is 0.866 on simplification. 0.0144, 0.5 on multiplication, these two, this is a value 0.00124, and finally our answer is 0.4987. So next type of problems here, the increase in the side of a square is given 4%, then find the approximate percentage error in the area. భుజంలోని పెరుగుదల 4% అయితే చతురస్ర వైశాల్యంలో ఉజ్జాయింపు పెరుగుదల శాతాన్ని కనుగొనండి. సో ఏరియా you know A. So write down the given content here. Percentage error in side is given using the formula delta x by x into 100 is equal to given, that we are writing as 4a. Now what we have to find? Percentage error in the area means delta a by a into 100 is equal to how much? This is the question. Now we know the formula a is equal to x square, area of the square. To find the percentage error or relative error, take log both sides. Log a is equal to log x square. This can be written as, using logarithm formula, 2 log x. 2 comes to front side. So differentiate both sides, then you get log differentiation 1 by a. Error in a is delta a is equal to 2. Log its derivative is 1 by x. Error in x is delta x. Now multiply both sides with 100. Delta a by a into 100 is equal to 2 into delta x by x into 100. So this is equal to, this particular part is given, delta x by x into 100 is given, that is 4. So you will get answer as 4. Answer as 8 here. So percentage error in area is equal to 8% is the final answer. Now see the next problem. The diameter of a sphere is 40 centimeters given. గోళ వ్యాసం 40 సెంటీమీటర్లను ఇచ్చాడు. ద ఎర్రర్ ఈజ్ 0.02 సెంటీమీటర్స్. వ్యాసంలో దోషం ఇచ్చాడు ఇక్కడ. దెన్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఫైండ్ గోళ గని పరిమాణం, ఉపరితల వైశాల్యంలో ఉజ్జాయింపు దోషాలు. ఫైండ్ ద అప్రాక్సిమేట్ ఎర్రర్ ఇన్ వాల్యూ అండ్ సర్ఫేస్ ఏరియా. మీన్స్ డెల్టా V is equal to how much and delta S is equal to how much. Two questions are there here. So we know the given contents. Write down the given contents here. D is given 40 centimeters and error in D is given. Delta D is equal to 0.02 centimeters. Now we know the formula. V is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube, volume of the sphere. So given contents are in terms of D, so reduce the formula also in terms of D here. 4 by 3 pi, we know r is equal to d by 2. Substitute this value here, d by 2 whole cube. Now further on simplification, this is 4 by 3 pi d cube divided by 8. So here 4 1 ja, 4 2 ja. So finally you will get pi d cube by 6. Now differentiate. Delta V is equal to, you will get pi by 6 constant, d cube derivative 3d square, error in D is delta. Again here also 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja gets cancelled. So delta V is equal to pi by 2, substitute the values, d square is 1600, 40 whole square, delta D is 0.02. Now simplify this. Again on cancellation I will get 2 1 ja, 2 800. So on finally on multiplication, delta V I will get 800 into 0.0 means 16 pi cubic centimeter cube. Minutes also important, this one. Now second one is find out delta S value here. S is equal to, you know the formula, 4 pi r square. Now convert this into in terms of D. This is 4 pi, this r is d by 2, d square by 4 I will get. Again 4 gets cancelled. Differentiate this. Delta S is equal to I constant 2d delta D. This is pi, 2 pi constant, D is 40 into delta D is 0.02. So on simplification, this I will get as 1.6 pi centimeters square.